We got the co-pilot up. He's that little speck. Great shots with the Mini. So some of the shots y'all are gonna see, they're not mine. I'm stealing.
It's all of ours.
We're gonna borrow, trade out. So it's gonna be good though. Gee, another one. Another beautiful day here in Iri'u. And today we are going to Motu Iri'u. It's one of the islands. In Florida, we like to hang out at the sandbars, but here in French Polynesia, they go to the Motu, where it's a little bit calmer water, way calmer. We can hang out. It's not like the rough currents, and hang out on the island, eat some good food. So jumping back on the bus after an amazing day yesterday down in Tapu Atea. So yeah, check this one out.
Getting better. Getting better.
My bad.
So we out here getting set up, doing a sound check, making sure no wind gets through. Guess they got me on an interview, so like and supply. All right, Yorana, Hafare, Talofa. This is Jeff Regis coming to y'all from the Hiti Mahana family of Florida. You know, this whole trip has been such a blessing. Many thanks to Moinao and Steve for putting all this together. You know, initially we came here with the intention and the main purpose was our girls competing mehura in the, I don't want to mess this up, the Hura Taparu competition. And then we also had some of our girls doing the solo competition at OTN, which was amazing. The entire experience, you know, no matter how hectic it was for all the competition prep and everything, it was a great time. And then finally coming here to enjoy the vacation piece, here to Ra'iatea, you know, again, Moinao's group hooking up such an amazing experience for us. I would say the highlight of the trip itself was that spiritual experience yesterday, going to the marae and just seeing where, you know, Guam is Micronesia, but, you know, one ocean, one people from the world, you know, that, who knows, maybe the Micronesians originated from there as well, depending on the beliefs. But that was, you know, not being a religious guy, that was such a spiritual experience to see all that. You know, it was just a whole different feeling, if you will. But I mean, here today at the Motu, checking it out, trying to spearfish, not going too well yet. But I would say all in all, man, Porenetia Travels, this travel agency here, Moinao and Steve, they know what they're doing, man. This has been an awesome experience. This is going down.
Who's phone?
So yeah.
It's my phone.
And the GoPro. And another one.
Yeah, how about that scenery? You know, the bus drives here in all of the island, they've just been, I can't stress it enough, y'all. These cameras do not do justice to the beauty that we have here. Every mountain we've seen is just covered with clouds at the top. Colors are so vivid, it's amazing. But hanging out at the island, some good sports, you know, we'll call that the French Polynesian Olympics. I still didn't hit that dang coconut, but it was a great time. You know, tomorrow we're jumping on a tour where we'll be riding a canoe through the river system, I want to say we got a tour guide that's going to be speaking in Tahitian the whole time and just telling us the stories along with some other great sights. So yeah, stay tuned for that one, y'all. Soak some of this in. Yeah, so stay tuned for that next one. If you want to see some other videos from our trip here in French Polynesia, click right here. And if you're feeling so generous, jam that subscribe right there. And until next time, y'all, thank you again for stopping through. Peace.